In this video, I will show how to add 4 flyers on one page in Microsoft Word like this, and you can print 4 flyers in one page. So I will show you from start. Insert, then select text box, and here select simple text box. Adjust the size for this text box according your page size. Now drag and drop properly. Now press Ctrl C and Ctrl V 3 times. So basically copy and paste. Now adjust properly. Now here insert your text. Similarly, insert your text here. And you can print it. So thanks for watching guys, and comment this video useful for you.